Tonight, the city responds to shocking claims against 9 of its police officers. A lawsuit filed today says they meddled with evidence at a crime scene where the wife of an APD officer was found dead. Her husband is a person of interest in that case. Investigative reporter Jeremy Hohola broke this story. He has more details about a change in the woman's life insurance policy right before she died.
She was a mother of 2 and the wife of an Albuquerque police officer when her body was found last October in her Los Lunas home with a bullet wound to the head. Her husband's police-issued 9mm was found next to her body. At first, Valencia County investigators called it a suicide, but then classified the case as a homicide. Her husband, APD officer Levi Chavez, remains a person of interest in the continuing investigation. And today, shocking allegations against 9 of his fellow officers. The suit says APD officers entered the crime scene to the objections of Valencia County investigators demanding professional courtesy. It says one of the officers flushed blood evidence down the toilet and took away bloody sheets. The suit was filed by an attorney representing the family of Tara Chavez. Attorney Brad Hall claims all accusations are backed up with crime scene logs, police reports, documents, and witness statements. The city today at first wouldn't comment, but after we broke the news of this lawsuit, we received a response from a city attorney tonight saying a plaintiff can allege anything in the civil complaint. That does not make the statements true. The claims made in this case are without merit, and that APD is confident a court will agree. The suit also makes another shocking claim. It says Officer Chavez changed his wife's insurance policy to include a suicide payout clause before her death. It became effective just 17 days before she was found dead, according to the suit. The suit goes on to say Chavez recently filed a claim on that policy for $100,000 and bought a Cadillac 9 days after she died. Jeremy Hohola, Eyewitness News 4.
A detective with Valencia County declined to comment about the suit, but did say the case remains open and active. Officer Chavez remains on paid leave with APD.